Question number 8. What causes the unusual volcanic activity on Io? Okay, I'm going to be hopeful here. It says what causes. Maybe that'll be directly stated. I'm not seeing anything in the text that's going to make me think I have to make an inference. So let me go back to the text. All right, starting a new section. A tug of war in space. Why does this volcanic activity occur on Io? Well, there's the question right there that I'm looking to answer. So maybe I'll keep my fingers crossed it'll be answered right after this. Scientists have worked hard to answer that question. They have learned that Io is the weakest player in a game of tug of war with its nearest neighbors. Jupiter and its other 3 moons are all much larger than Io. The gravity from each of these big neighbors pulls on Io. So it's saying the gravity causes it. The gravity from each of the neighbors. Jupiter pulls from one side. Its large moons pull from the other. These strong forces make Io bulge and stretch. It also wobbles on its axis. Because of the opposing forces, heat builds up inside the moon. The heat melts matter in the middle of Io. Pressure builds. Finally, the melted matter explodes out of the ground in volcanic eruptions. Wow, so it's a lot of text. Here's the volcanic eruptions. The strong forces from the gravity. Heat builds up inside the moon. These are almost steps in a sequence. So all of these things are my clues that I'm going to use to answer question number 8. And then I'll go back and check. So I'm going to put an 8 here, and here, and here. There's a lot of information to use as clues, but I'm going to put it together. What causes the unusual volcanic activity? The pull of Jupiter and its large moons? Well, certainly seems like it's that answer. But let's check my others. The unusually high amount of sulfur. It doesn't talk anything about sulfur at all. I'm going to eliminate choice B. Heat from the giant planet Jupiter that Io orbits. It doesn't say heat from the giant planet. It talks about gravity. So that's not correct. So I want to say this is wrong because it's the gravity, not the heat. So I've confirmed it. A is my best answer, and I have all of this evidence in the text that helps to support it.